Hi guys, welcome back to Kaykonvo, where it's not a consultation, just a conversation. I know. I've been going for a minute, but I'm back. So that's here nor there, right? So basically this video is kind of just me like following up, catching up, so I could tell you guys hopefully what I can help with moving forward, how I want this channel to go. So like mainly, if you guys don't know and you're just watching this for the first time, I guess a new video in the new year or whatever you call it. My name is Alicia. I go by Kaykonvo, and most of my videos you'll see is that I was on the Optavia program and I lost about 60 pounds total, I want to say, but really a good strong 50 in like 4.5 months. And I continued to lose. And then even though like even now, present day, because I know that's what you guys want to know, I'll put on the screen a before and after when I was on Optavia program, because I know when I'm watching videos, that's what I want to see. Like, this is how I was before, and then this is how I was after. So basically I lost the 50 pounds in 4.5 months, and still to this day Optavia is like, I mean, one of the best programs that I've known. I've done other stuff, which I'm pretty sure if you're watching my channel, most of you have tried other types of programs. I still feel like, me and my girl Shannon was talking, like it serves its purpose. You get what I'm saying? So if we have any questions about that, I will still be making videos on the program, because I still feel like besides surgery, even though nothing's wrong with that, like it was the one program that when I needed rapid weight loss, it helped me. Now, the other thing I want to kind of discuss with you guys is like, what do we do after? You know what I mean? Because it's been about a year, and I want to say I'm probably like, let's say within that year, about 10 to 15 pounds from where like I had lost, and probably like 10 pounds away from like when I hit my goal weight. Not goal weight, but the goal I had set for myself. And probably like I gained another like, so I'm probably like 15 pounds away from the lowest I had ever seen. But that's probably within like over a year that I've been, I guess, considering myself maintaining. And if I'm being honest, you know, I'm learning so much about myself, even as like I'm getting more feedback from other people who are on the program. Because if you guys even notice, I literally want to thank you guys for all the support. Like I really try to answer all the comments if I can. I see you guys commenting. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. It's just that I was like ripping and running, doing different things. So stopping to make a video, it just kind of went by the wayside. But I'm gonna try to do better, because I realized that a lot of these videos were helping a lot of you, and I guess I just was kind of making them, not realizing. But I'm here, I'm back. Any questions, we'll work through that and figure that out. But like I said, you know, I think I hit my goal weight, or what I had set somewhat as a goal, without even thinking about it. And you start on this program, and as I start learning about myself and talking to other people who have been on this program, I don't think, even though the life books are great, there's other aspects of this. Just as a regular person, if you're watching this, I'm not a nutritionist, I'm not some super person, I'm regular, super regular. I'm a mom, a wife, regular person, you know what I'm saying, a sister, whatever. That's what works for me. Might not work for everybody else, but I just want to kind of talk you guys through what's helped me kind of get to a place. And most of you should probably know, if you guys have been on a weight loss journey, what I'm about to do right now is like, I'm not at my revenge body is what I'm calling it, because I haven't reached that point where I feel like I'm at a space where I'm like, yep, this is the size I want to be. You know, I lost the weight. I was like, wow, I'm in jeans that I wore in high school, and still to this day I have that pair on. And I'll get my husband to take me some pictures as of today so I can add those in, and hopefully if you're seeing those, this is me as of today. And it's like, I got a little comfortable, because you know, you start hearing, oh, don't lose too much, this and that. And mentally, if I'm just being real, sometimes when you're on a weight loss journey and you're being that restrictive, you're waiting for a reason to stop. And I'm not saying I stopped, I just thought, oh, well, it's time for me to transition and start adding things back in, and I'm okay with this and that. And I don't think I was yet ready, because now I'm like, no, I think I want to surpass this and get to like a different level that I feel healthy. So that's what I'm going to share with you guys. But that's vulnerable, sharing a journey that you haven't reached the end game yet, because a lot of you came to my channel, most of the videos I was making was after I had hit the weight I thought I wanted to be at, or when I was close to it, because it's very hard to share a journey. Even like I know a lot of you, if you're like me, when you started your Optavia journey, you didn't really tell many people, because we're so used to failing that it's kind of hard to tell somebody what you're gonna do, because then they look at you like,
yeah, you told me you're gonna lose weight like 600 times.
Because of that, and because of maybe some people that have called me and been like, hey, you know, I was on program, I'm getting back on, I'm this, I'm that. I kind of want to touch on more of those type of situations, like how we do the program, how you follow the program, that's important. But like more so for maybe people who are off the program or transitioned and are back to regular, I guess you would say regular life. It's like, what happens now? Did you have a food addiction? How are you dealing with food? Like, how do I live, find optimal health, not feel like I'm constantly worried about gaining a pound the moment I put something in my mouth or the moment I look at someone else's food? I think that's more of the things I kind of want to touch on for me and kind of share my journey along that with you guys, which super nervous about that. But anyway, I'm gonna try my best, like I said, because I'm just regular, not a nutritionist. You should ask your doctor before starting anything. I think I'm supposed to say that. From here on out, I just want to kind of walk you guys through steps that I've been taking, because I've been researching something else that I think might fit me even better after being on the program. What I think I would like to do more so transitioning and adding exercise into my regular lifestyle. But I'll probably have like playlists. So what I'll do is I'll break it up into things about the program, like condiments, how to make lean and greens, because I'll still be making lean and greens for myself, just because I think I'll make those the rest of my life. And when I say lean and green, I'm literally talking about a protein and veggies that most of us should be eating on the regular anyway, like even if we're not on a diet. And you know, we got to be careful, because I think we don't realize the word diet is basically what you eat. Okay, for us, sometimes we think diet and we think, oh, what are you doing to lose weight? But in reality, everyone has a diet. It's basically what you eat on a regular basis. So I feel like a lean and green, whether you're doing the program or not, is something I'll take with me forever, because I feel like it's such a great way to understand the amount of food that you could eat and not gain weight, and also what your plate should look like when you're getting the right nutrition in your body. So blah, blah, blah. I don't want to blabble too much, but like you'll see the videos coming up again, probably like weigh myself and things like that. I don't know if I'm comfortable yet doing that on camera, but I'm gonna try my best and like take you guys along my journey week through week. So what I want to do now is basically I want to ask you, just so I could get a feel for like where everybody's at, just since this is like a video, I want to tailor it to what you guys really want. In the comments below, tell me like where you are in your journey. Maybe you're just starting program. Maybe you've been on program, you've transitioned. Maybe you're ready to transition and you don't know what you want to do. Let me know where you are in your journey. Kind of like introduce yourself in the comments. Like I said, I try to respond to all of them and I'll try to get to all of you guys, but just wanted to kind of give you guys this video. Again, if you have any questions, I'll do another video that'll be more of like a Q&A, so we'll talk about that later. But this is just like a follow-up, letting you guys know I'm back. Sorry, I've been gone for a minute, and I'm gonna be sharing my journey with you to get to my body that I really want. For me, like I'm 5'2", I'm not very tall. The number on the scale that I would like to see would be in the 140, somewhere from that, right? I've been doing my research and learning. I'm also learning that I don't know if the number on the scale is gonna be more important to me than the way I look and feel, and how long lasting I'm gonna feel, understanding how I could still incorporate my regular life, eat healthier, but still live at the same time. So hopefully I'll share this along my journey with you guys week by week, and I'll be back. Stay tuned. Talk to you guys later. Bye.